The technical companions of our daily lives often have one thing in common. They consume power, or they contain power-consuming components. And where there is electric current, there are terminations. Schleuniger offers trend-setting and cost-effective connector technology for termination applications in industry. The Schleuniger product range includes semi-automatic and fully automatic machines for cutting, stripping, crimping, and marking, as well as for quality assurance. Especially in the automotive and consumer industries, as well as in other sectors, crimping has gained acceptance as a contacting method, thanks to its process reliability and cost-effectiveness. For this process, Schleuniger has created new fully automatic machines, the Crimp Center series. State-of-the-art engineering and control technology went into the development of these innovative machines. The result is absolute precision combined with high machine reliability to ensure effective added value to the user. The Crimp Center series is geared to the requirements of modern wire processing and guarantees production that meets the very highest technical and quality standards. The fully automated machines of the Crimp Center series are capable of processing wires with diameters of 0.05 to 6 square millimeters or 30 to 10 gauge. The wire length measurement is monitored during the feeding process. The wire guide mechanism is adjusted easily and quickly to the desired wire diameter. Downtime is minimized because parts such as feed belts can for the most part be changed without using any tools. Similarly, the blade blocks shown here can also be exchanged easily without tools. And of course, the crimping applicators can also be exchanged without requiring the use of tools. The design of the machines in the Crimp Center series draws on wide experience in connector technology and the beneficial exchange of ideas with the harness makers. The swivel arms are the heart of the machine. They maneuver the wires with utmost precision and place the wire ends exactly in front of the processing stations. Up to 4 stations allow numerous processing options and combinations. What you see here is stripping, a precondition for further processing. The control unit allows gradated settings for stripping lengths. All process steps are performed with the highest precision to enable the secure processing of even very thin wires. Weather seals are being used more and more often. The optional seal fitting station satisfies this trend. It can be retrofitted to accommodate all conventional seals. Generally speaking, and also in this particular application, sensor units ensure trouble-free control and a consistently high level of quality. Crimp Station. Innovative technology at work. For example, an integrated crimp force monitoring unit enables the early recognition of tendencies and allows countermeasures even before scrap is generated. High crimp quality is guaranteed through continuous crimp force monitoring and periodic crimp height verification. A separate integrated crimp height measuring device automatically forwards the crimped height values measured to the software called EASY. In case of deviation from the nominal value, the crimped height can be adjusted with the touch of a button, and the correction is applied to subsequent production. Pole force is another important quality of an ideal crimp connection. The pole tester measures the force required to remove the terminal from the wire and transfers the results of the test to the Crimp Center. The easy software analyzes the measurement, indicates the force data, and gives the go-ahead for the further production. Changing connector reels is easy and quick, and again, without the need for a tool. The optional Tooling Shuttle 60 makes it possible to retrofit the crimp stations along with the spools for other terminals in very little time. The Tooling Shuttle 60 system is currently available as optional equipment for all crimp centers. Technicians enter and maintain production parameters through a touchscreen control panel on a high-output PC. Many languages are available. Intuitive icons make programming simple. The keyboards displayed are automatically adjusted to the chosen language and input field. It is easy to learn and operate the Crimp Center in a short time. Complete operating instructions and the illustrated catalog of spare parts are available through the machine's front panel for easy access. Networking multiple machines is simple because of the standard interface. Production data can be transmitted via TCP/IP protocol for viewing and monitoring. A desktop version of the software, independent from the machine operating system, allows the order data to be displayed on any networked PC through the Internet or a company internal network. Thus, centralized order administration and production planning can be established independently from the location of the machine. Furthermore, worldwide remote maintenance and quality assurance is possible by the standard networking. Integration into a wireless network is possible using standard hardware. The use of standard components offers simple and quick solutions for worldwide access to the Crimp Centers. Good-bad sorting takes place directly at the cut head and is a standard feature on all Crimp Center machines. Successfully processed wires are deposited into a wire tray that includes a lot size stop function. Modern processing facilities built by Schleuniger. The Crimp Center 60, 65, and 70, with up to 4 processing stations, along with the youngest member of the family, the Crimp Center 63, with 3 stations. Exceptionally high precision, sophisticated reliable technology, high production rates, user-friendliness, as well as simple and quick toolless parts exchange are special features of these fully automatic machines. Products made by Schleuniger.